The Shark Stratos is a corded stick vacuum that offers the highest suction of any stick vacuum from Shark to date. It was designed with hair, especially pet hair, in mind. The two main brush heads come with their HairPro and Self-Cleaning technologies that are designed to remove hair without prolonged tangling the brush rollers. It also includes a HEPA filter and odor neutralizer to keep your cleaning experience free from allergens and unwanted smells. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel on YouTube. At Modern Castle, we use 6 different tests to measure the cleaning performance and usability of corded stick vacuums. To test the cleaning performance of the Shark Stratos vacuum, we use 4 different debris types on 3 different floor types. We then use the appropriate setting on the floor type being tested. After we test, we measured the debris that was removed by weight. Cleaning performance on the Shark Stratos was quite strong overall. On high-pal carpets, it was able to remove virtually all of the debris by each type. However, on low-pal carpets, it left a bit behind. On hardwood floors, it struggled with a few types of debris. The Stratos handled the smaller debris types with no issue. The rice and cereal debris gave it some challenge. In our tests, these larger debris types were pushed around and clung to the sides of the brush head without being fully vacuumed up. This left a considerable amount behind. Rice gave the Stratos the most trouble, only having 83.2% removed. We could see the rice being pushed around and seemingly held at the sides of the brush head without it being fully sucked up. Only the center of the brush head seemed to effectively remove this type of debris. Cereal was similar, but with a slightly larger effective area, having 90.4% removed. Performance was different on low-pal carpet. We saw more of the smaller debris types get left behind and less of the larger debris. However, overall performance was better compared to hardwood. Sugar only had 91% of it removed on low-pal carpet. Kitty litter was better, but a noticeable amount was still left behind. Opposite on the hardwood testing, the rice was the highest percentage removed, leaving just a grain or 2 behind. We saw chunks get broken off the cereal and flung around, but otherwise 97.4% was removed. It's the high-pal carpet that performed the best. Virtually no debris was left behind by the Shark Stratos during this test. The higher pal carpet allowed the cereal enough friction to remain in place while the vacuum sucked it up. With smaller debris, the brush head and carpet setting seemed to work at its most optimal, collecting significantly more than low pile test. For our hair test, we place strands of hair in the direct cleaning path of the vacuum. We then run the vacuum over it and check to see how much hair was removed and if any tangled in the brush roll. The Stratos removed all the hair used in the test. However, a small but noticeable amount was left tangled in the brush head. This tangled hair was only in the very center and in no other spots around the brush or the vacuum head. This is an excellent performance, but short of exceptional. Our pet hair test is similar to the long hair test in that we place pet fur in the direct cleaning path of the vacuum, run the vacuum over it, and see how much was removed. The difference in this one is that we grind the hair into the carpet to better simulate a home environment. For this test, we placed the pet hair on high-pal carpet and ran the Shark Stratos on the carpet setting. The Stratos was exceptional at removing pet hair. It was able to remove 100% of the pet hair placed for the test in only 2 passes. Shark does provide a smaller HairPro attachment to be used on furniture and stairs. This is meant to be used in handheld mode. In order to tackle everywhere else, you'll use the standard brush roll. Overall, the Shark Stratos is a great vacuum if you have pets. The one caveat is that the storage tank is quite small. If you have multiple large shedding dogs, this small capacity dustbin could prove annoying. To test the noise on the Shark Stratos, we run the vacuum on high-pal carpet on different power modes and measure the amount of noise generated with a sound meter from about 3 feet away. The Shark Stratos does not have different speeds or power modes like many other vacuums. It only has a carpet and hardwood floor cleaning mode. The Stratos has a max noise range of 68.9 to 70.3 decibels. The 2 settings are not significantly different from each other. Usability on the Shark Stratos is fantastic. Setup takes little time, the controls are extremely minimal, and maintenance is quite easy. For a corded vacuum, it's light and easy to maneuver. Shark has many accessories that are compatible with the Stratos that can be purchased separately. However, the base purchase comes with a handful of essentials. In addition, it comes with a wide range of accessories and tools that can assist in cleaning. Setup on the Shark Stratos takes less than 5 minutes. You simply need to connect the bottom of the wand to the brush roll and the top to the handheld Stratos vacuum. Place the crevice and upholstery tools on each side of the storage clip. Then, clip those tools onto the wand for easy access. The only novel aspect of the setup is the odor neutralizer. It comes in a package that you will need to open. You'll install the small knob-like device into the clear opening on the side of the brush roll. There is a handle you can prop up to help you turn it until it clicks into place. There are a few controls on the Shark Stratos. On the back side of the handheld vacuum is a round black screen. Below this, there are 2 buttons, power and mode. The power simply turns on the device while the vacuum switches between bare floor and carpet modes. Maintenance on the Shark Stratos is easy as there are few things to track. You'll need to empty the dustbin as it fills and clean out the blockages if and when they occur. The pre-motor filter needs to be cleaned monthly, and the HEPA filter should be cleaned every 6 months. In addition, the odor neutralizer pod lasts 6 months, so if you'd like that feature, you'll need to replace that as well. The Shark Stratos comes with 3 alternative heads and tools to clean with. The Pet Power Brush is a smaller version of the main brush head. They both have Shark Stratos HairPro and Self-Cleaning designs. The Pet Power Brush is designed for use on furniture, stairs, and other smaller spaces with carpet or upholstery. As the name implies, it's ideal for cleaning up pet hair and any allergens that pets may produce. The crevice tool is your standard angled plastic accessory. This is meant for corners and crevices that the main brush head can't quite reach. There are definitely fancier versions of the crevice tool available from Shark that include longer lengths and extendable brushes. Finally, there is a storage clip to fit the crevice and upholstery tools onto the vacuum wand. Unfortunately, the Pet Power Brush has no designated spot on the vacuum and is the one thing you'll have to store separately. The Shark Stratos is similar in size to other corded vacuums we've tested to date. It is highly maneuverable in both the full-size mode and handheld mode. While lying flat, however, the bottom of the handle prevents it from fully laying down. I would recommend the Shark Stratos corded stick if you're looking for a high-performance stick vacuum that doesn't use a battery. While this means you are tethered to a cord, it also means an endless runtime with maneuverability of a stick. Additionally, it has exceptional hair performance, handling longer strands with minimal tangles and pet hair with ease. Furthermore, it had fantastic cleaning performance on high-pile carpet, removing 99% of all debris we placed in our tests. If you want the endless runtime with the benefits of a stick vacuum and don't mind the cord, the Shark Stratos corded is an excellent choice. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Stratos stick, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.